Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be playing Okay, so I already played this game before, but let's just get started. Alright, so let's start the shift. Wait for visitors. I have 75% sanity. Why is it not at 100 right now? Cone hopper. Alright, so we have our first customer. What's this guy's name? I don't know, but let's just stamp this. Take a photo. Cams are offline right now, so good. Let's go. Why am I 74% sanity? I was 75 last time. Herbs. Okay, I'll do that. Wait, what was his thing again? Stomach ache. Alright, well then that's fine. Alright, wait, is that it? Oh, we have to wait for this patient to recover. Forgot about that. Alright, well then let's wait for him to recover. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Thank you, doctor. Well, you're welcome, young sir. Just don't forget to pay $2,000 on the way out. Hey, look, there's a gun. Your sanity is important. If it reaches 0, you die. Dang, okay. Coffee ready, increased sanity. Yo, I actually didn't know that. The doctor is arriving. Nice, bro. Is he gonna help us? Should we go and see the doctor or something? Like, where is he? I'm Dr. Harlow. Hi, Dr. Harlow. Strange. Just keep working. I will fix up those shutters and security cameras for you. Cool. So now let me look at that. Yay! So now the security cameras work. Yay, I'm the best. Electric uprising is the best. Okay, shift 2, I think it is now. Well, yeah, shift 2. Yeah, that is not normal. He's like twitching like that is not normal. Is my sanity going down a bit? Well, you want me to speed it up? Fine! Take that! Take that? Well then. He's fainted. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Carry him, carry him. Alright, now let me treat the other. Be in room 1. Oh, yep, I fixed up that other guy. Okay. So this guy claims he has a long day. He had a long day, didn't you? First. Yo, what the heck? The heck? Now let me inspect his picture. Well, this guy's still an anomaly, though. Do you know how I know? Look at that. Alright, let's open that back up for the other customer. Alright, let's go. Okay, well then let's check the security cams one more time. Well, this guy seems perfectly normal, you see? Yo, what the heck? Clean slime? The slime? I'm sure it's slime, bro. Where's this? Let me see what this is. Pain and fever. So what's on that? Well, this is the beginning of these. So, that is done. Now, what's our last guy? There we go, let's go! Our doctor is here. Top secret. He's holding a briefcase that says top secret, bro. Oh, the supply shop, that's cool. Bro, this is actually pretty cool. Yo, what the frick is this? What the heck am I looking at right now? Leave, bro. I need coffee. The frick? The heck is... No. You want me to speed it up? I'll speed it up for you. Fix this camera right here. Camera has been fixed. Let's go. What the heck? What the heck is that? The heck, it's a skinwalker! Oh my god, I thought this was a cute game. Ugh. Did he just poop? What the heck? I'm closing the door on you real quick. Alright, feel better, buddy. Oh wait, this guy has surgery. What's wrong with this guy? Oh, we're doing surgery on this guy. Yo, this is actually hard. Complete. Now what? Stomachache and headache. There we go. Patient is recovering. Let's go. Well then, now that guy's recovering, let's go. The doctor is arriving. Unstable. Yes, I already knew that. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. Well then, that's pretty cool. Good. Yay. Shift 3. Safe for a while? What do you mean? Don't open. I'll accept this suitcase, I guess. Bro, you know what? I'm done. I've been playing this for such a long time. I'm actually gonna see you guys later, but let's do one more thing. Let's try something out. You've been ringing the bell too many times. Bye. Yeah. 1%. You alright? I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm a bad boy.